Hey guys, so I'm excited. TLC has a new coffee, the pumpkin spice latte. Now, before I bought this whole entire bag, I actually tried it. Now, it is sweet. It is sweet. But this is really, really good, okay? So, it still has the same Garcinia Cambodia, in there for detoxing, losing weight. It still has the chaga. It still has the Ganoderma, inside of it. So, this is actually a good coffee. You can put whipped cream, on it. Now, for me, I only use half of a pack because I don't like it too strong. So I only use about half of a pack. So I'm gonna pour some. Open it up. So if you like pumpkin, if you like pumpkin, smells good too. Smells like pumpkin too. It actually smells good. This actually smells delicious. It actually smells delicious. So I like the pumpkin. The pumpkin coffee. So you can mix it with your favorite coffees if you want to, however you want to do it. So it was filled to about here, So I put this much in there. So now it's about this left. This is the amount that's left. So I'll use that for tomorrow. Like, I'll have my coffee for tomorrow and I'll use that, and that's my pumpkin coffee. So if you haven't tried the TLC pumpkin latte, and you can put, like I said, whipped cream on it, if you want to, you can put some whatever, like whatever you like, and just stir it up because it's all instant. All you gotta do is just stir it up and then you drink it. Detox. It also tastes good. And you're also going to go to the bathroom. So, put a little bit more. Put a little bit extra in there. So, I've been with TLC for about 5 years. I have a team of over 700 people on my team. And counting and growing. And I just make passive income every week with Total Life Changes. Absolutely love it. Oh, let's not forget the YouTubers. Can't forget my Nuta Butter. Can't forget my Nuta Butter. I take this. So these are like my rituals to help me build my immune system, boost my immune system. Because no Rona for me, baby. No Rona for me, no Rona for my family. And this is what God wants. God wants us to live a better life. God don't want us taking medications. That's man-made shit. God wants us eating fruits, vegetables, herbs from the earth. That's what God wants. So, if you haven't got any, it's a whole bag. 28, I think is about 60 plus shipping, about $68 for 28. But each one can make 2 cups of coffee. So you really got 60 cups of coffee for like $68. Now I probably do like a sample, maybe 4 for 20. Now you got 4 things of coffee for $20 plus shipping, right? And then, now you'll be able to try it and, see how you like it, and then, buy the whole thing. So about $25, get you, sample of the coffee. Make sure you click on the link below, guys. Get you some pumpkin coffee, pumpkin spice latte, the new product from TLC. And I only promote products that I actually take. So if I'm not taking it, I'm not promoting it. So click on the link below. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys soon.